Today, we will talk about the information coefficient, IC. The information coefficient is a measure used to evaluate the skill of an investment analyst or an active portfolio manager. It shows how closely the analyst's financial forecasts match actual results. The IC can range from 1.0 to -1.0, with -1 indicating that the analyst's forecasts bear no relation to the actual results, and 1 indicating that the analyst's forecasts perfectly match the actual results. The formula for the IC is IC equals 1, where the proportion correct is the proportion of predictions made correctly by the analyst. This formula is used to compute the IC score based on the correctness of the analyst's predictions. The information coefficient describes the correlation between predicted and actual stock returns, and it is sometimes used to measure the contribution of a financial analyst. An IC of plus 1.0 indicates a perfect linear relationship between predicted and actual returns, while an IC of 0.0 indicates no linear relationship. An IC of minus 1.0 indicates that the analyst always fails at making a correct prediction. It should not be confused with the information ratio, which is a measure of an investment manager's skill. As a hypothetical example, if an investment analyst made 2 predictions and got 2 right, the information coefficient would be plus 1.0. If an analyst's predictions were only right half of the time, the IC would be 0.0. If none of the predictions were right, the IC would be minus 1.0. This demonstrates how the IC score is calculated based on the correctness of the analyst's predictions. The IC is only meaningful for an analyst who makes a large number of predictions. If there are only a small number of predictions, random chance may explain the results. Therefore, the IC is a more meaningful measure of skill when a large number of predictions are made. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. The information coefficient, IC, is a measure used to evaluate the skill of an investment analyst or an active portfolio manager. 2. An IC of plus 1.0 indicates a perfect prediction of actual returns, while an IC of 0.0 indicates no linear relationship. An IC of minus 1.0 indicates that the analyst always fails at making a correct prediction. 3. The IC is not to be confused with the information ratio, IR. The IR is a measure of an investment manager's skill, comparing a manager's excess returns to the amount of risk taken. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.